This week on Keep or Kill, a swap from Scratchpad to Gong and why Orum got dropped.
What other tools have you dropped in the last year?
We dropped Orum. Sometimes it's not to do with the tool itself. Sometimes it's to do with the change management and the ongoing enablement of the tool. So it's really unfair to say sometimes, hey, we killed this tool. Sometimes it's a case of refreshing and going for something new to have the best possible relaunch.
So what's one tool you recently added to your stack?
Last year, we were really focused on our pipeline management. We had a tool called Scratchpad to make it easier to update Salesforce. We also started using Gong. So one of the new tools that didn't require any extra investment for us was using Gong Deal Boards. Then we invested in Gong Forecast, going from a static Salesforce submission experience to a dynamic intelligence-led experience.
So you replaced Scratchpad with Gong Deal
Deal Boards, and then we replaced many different workarounds with Gong Forecast.
I think the context there, the company size, where you stand, what your challenges are, and how forward-thinking you are kind of determines the entire tool stack.
What makes the difference is the combination of the tools together. I don't think one tool in itself can change things, and I don't think the tools that we find the most valuable are the cheapest.